Welcome to Is Guarda Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Guarda Wallet are included in the description below. Guarda Wallet is a versatile, non-custodial wallet designed for cryptocurrency enthusiasts who value flexibility and security. Supporting over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and ERC20 tokens, it caters to a broad audience ranging from beginners to advanced crypto users. Guarda is available as a mobile app, desktop application, web interface, and even a browser extension, providing convenient access across multiple platforms. One of the most notable features of Guarda Wallet is its focus on security. Being a non-custodial wallet, it does not store your private keys or sensitive information on its servers, ensuring that only you have access to your funds. All keys are encrypted and securely stored on your device. Additionally, Guarda offers backup functionality in the form of an encrypted backup file and a recovery phrase, which users must keep safe to ensure account recovery in case of device loss. For added convenience, Guarda Wallet includes a built-in exchange and purchasing feature, allowing users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. It also supports staking for certain assets like Ethereum 2.0 and Tezos, enabling users to earn passive income. Advanced features such as multi-signature wallet support and integration with hardware wallets like Ledger make Guarda a reliable choice for users managing large portfolios. From a usability perspective, Guarda provides a clean and intuitive interface, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced users. It also includes a 24/7 customer support system, which is rare among non-custodial wallets, ensuring users can resolve any issues promptly. In terms of safety, Guarda Wallet is highly secure when used correctly. However, as with any non-custodial wallet, the ultimate responsibility lies with the user to safeguard their private keys and recovery phrase. If you're looking for a wallet that combines flexibility, multi-platform accessibility, and strong security features, Guarda Wallet is a solid choice. For more details or to download the app, check out the links in the description below.